Hey folks, the cat's kind of out of the bag now with the new Hifiman closed-back headphones. I will post a link here on the top right for their sort of announcement video. As of this video, the press release isn't even released yet, but apparently they're going to be releasing a press release very, very soon, and I will try to post links to that in the description field as soon as we have them. It's called the HE-R10, and from my initial impressions and look of it, quite frankly, it looks kind of like a copy of the now discontinued Sony R10, which was a top-of-the-line closed-back headphone with wood ear cups back in the 90s. And they now have been long discontinued and kind of a collector's item. In my opinion, it looks like a blatant kind of copy of those headphones in terms of the wood ear cups, the shape of them. Now, I don't know anything about the Hifiman HE-R10s at all in terms of performance, in terms of really the design, other than the way that they look with the wood ear cups. But I can say the wood ear cups look just like the Sony R10s, and the fact that Hifiman is calling them the HE-R10 at least signifies to me that they probably are going for a similar sound signature. And I guess since the Sony R10s are no longer made and now long gone, that they can use that same name. I don't know, it's a little bit weird to me that they seem like such a blatant copy of the Sony R10s, but I assume them being Hifiman that they are planar dynamic drivers versus a normal dynamic driver. The Sony R10s originally were a biocellulose driver, regular dynamic driver, whereas these I believe are planar magnetic driver. So anyway, just my news scoop for you this Saturday morning, and certainly there's going to be more news about these to come. And as I find more links and news, I will post them in the description field and probably in a pinned comment as well. But if you have any more information on these in terms of specifications or any other information on them, go ahead and leave a comment in this video. They also support the wireless Bluetooth plugin as well, so you can put that in and make them wireless. So that's probably pretty good for traveling and things like that and for commuting purposes. They use 3.5 millimeter on the ear cups, so that's the standard for Hifiman. In addition, speaking of the 3.5 millimeter on the ear cups, I understand from Hifiman that they are moving towards that for the Susvara as well. So across their line, they're moving to 3.5 millimeter on the ear cups instead of 2.5 millimeter. So I think that's actually very good and definitely a good move. So anyway, what do you think of these new Hifiman closed-back headphones? It's Hifiman's first closed-backs, and again, they're the HE-R10s. I don't even know the price point of these yet, folks. This is hot news just as of like 10 minutes ago, as of I'm posting this video. So any news that you might have or any facts or factoids, go ahead and leave them below. I would love to hear from you. See you in my next video.